Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app, on your BodyFast app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on statistics settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, just go down here. You come here to body mass index, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, as mean here body mass index enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.